हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल हब ऑफ नॉलेज मैक पे। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा इंटरनल ऑडिट चेकलिस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट के लिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट बी कंटिन्यू फॉर लर्निंग हाउ टू मेक इंटरनल ऑडिट चेकलिस्ट फॉर इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो on the basis of my viewer request. Friends, if you watching ready-made paid videos, then no use for it, because by watching ready-made paid video doubts are not clear, so don't waste time and money. So please join our live classes online as well as offline. The main objective of Hub of Knowledge Mac Training Center providing training, placement and development of career. दोस्तों, अगर आप डिग्री या डिप्लोमा करने के बाद कुछ सालों तक जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आप हमारा ट्रेनिंग कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना करियर रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हो और अपने आप को एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर शो कर सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद कैंडिडेट का IQ लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है, क्योंकि सभी ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल व थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ाई जाती हैं और साथ में इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाई जाती है। This is the internal audit checklist in Excel sheet. So let's start internal audit checklist for engineering department according to IATF 16949 2016. Here document number, revision number and date, area engineering, auditor name and auditee name, time and shift for auditing and date of audit. Here serial number and here checkpoints. Here reference clause number, observations, status and remarks. So first we have to check ECN, engineering change note or engineering change request or record according to reference clause number 7.5.3.22 and 8.5.6.1. And in second number we will check control of documents according to the reference clause number 7.5. Next, on third number we will check drawing issue register internal and external according to the reference clause number 7.5. and fourth one, list of external origin documents, it also lies the reference clause number 7.5. and fifth number, control of records, we have to check against the reference clause number 7.5. Sixth one is master list of drawing, we have to check list of drawing according to clause number 7.5. and next we have to check APQP timing plan according to clause number 8.1 and 8.3.5.2 and 8.3.4.4. So according to APQP timing plan we have to check specification of drawings and special characteristics of product/process. And next we will check during audit tooling, equipment, process. And next, capability studies of process. Here we can check CP and CPK record. And next, process flow chart. And next, process failure mode effect analysis. And next one, maintenance plan / work instructions, then control plan, and then standard work instructions according to these reference clauses as mentioned here. And next, process approval acceptance criteria. Then data for quality. Data for quality means you can check the quality defects and the counter major reports of against the quality problems. And the next, list of new development plans. And then team feasibility commitment according to 8.2.3.1.3. next, ninth, list of special characteristics as per reference clause number 8.3.3 and 8.2.3.1.2. and next, 10th, we will check past travel history and their countermeasure records according to reference clause number 8.2.3.1.3. Then 11th, we will check customer property that lies against clause number 8.5.3. Then list of approved process changes according to standard clause number 8.5.6. Next, in 13, list of product safety requirement according to 4.4.1.2 clause number. Next, document status, we will check process engineering procedure according to 4.4 and master list of drawing according to 4.4 clause number. And here time frame for closing NCs, and here the revision number of audit check sheet. So friends, this is the internal audit check sheet of engineering department. अगर आपको स्मार्ट स्किल डेवलप करके करियर में ग्रो करना है तो प्लीज़ स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें और हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करें. आफ्टर गेटिंग ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम आवर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, कैंडिडेट कैन बिल्ड अप हिज स्मार्ट स्किल्स फॉर क्रैकिंग इंटरव्यू and can get a good job in good organization. Friends, if you need to grow in your career and need to build up a smart career, you can join our documentation training center Hub of Knowledge Make. This is our advanced documentation training course template. Here we cover all topics with practical and theoretical, and more other technical topics will be cover that will be out of this template. Friends, we are providing live classes online and offline. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen.